I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super insane, guys. So if you have any problems, drop them down below in the comments. I'm going to be sure to get back to you guys and help you fix your issues. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get free Cash App money. So let me just open up the Cash App, and as you can see, this is my balance. But in the mod menu, I can do $200 plus. So I'm going to activate this. So let's see if the money goes up. All right, and it's increasing, guys. Hopefully, if this console works. So let's see what happens. All right, here we go. All right, it says it was done, so let's see if it increases. And yeah, it's working. So I'm going to show you how to get free Cash App money in 2025. So let's get into the video. It's super cool, bro. Whoa. So first step is going to be open a new tab and type tweakmod.com and then type Cash App. It should come up. Press install. Now before this downloads, there is verification. This is the last step. You just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, 100% free from official app store. So I'll see you guys later, but make sure you guys do that. You should be all set. You should install the mod. So yeah, you get free money, guys, like $200 a day with the mod. So it's really cool. It actually works. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get free money on Cash App. But yeah, this is super insane, guys. It totally works. So as you can see, it says missing files, so I just need to download some of these. So like Family Island says reach level 10, so I could do that. Lucky Match says reach level 11. They're mostly games, pretty simple to do. There's a video if you're confused, but that's how I get free money on Cash App. Super crazy, totally works.